Hey everyone, Dr. Chad James, Spinal Care. Check out this case study of a 14-year-old female who suffered from cervical neck dystonia, which is a neurological movement disorder that causes repetitive muscle contractions or twisting or jerking or repetitive motions. She significantly improved, check it out, after 1 week of care, of upper cervical specific care. So the reason why I'm sharing this to you is because it's fascinating and wonderful how people can improve under specific upper cervical care when we take that pressure, when we get that upper neck checked, so we can restore this brainstem body connection the way it's supposed to, so your body heals and functions the way it's supposed to. Because with that misalignment, that subluxation, that twisting, your body's going to be in a state of dysfunction. So if you know someone that's suffering from cervical dystonia like this lady, get them to an upper cervical chiropractor. Dr. Chad James, Spinal Care.